Well, if you're not sure what to get your loved one that's into woodworking or power tools, I've got a few ideas for you, including my list of gifts under $100. First up, we got a compact spot blower. So this is like a mini leaf blower. Comes tool only, but it runs off the M12 platform. I don't have much M12 gear in my shop, but I do have a battery, so I think that'll suffice for this little spot blower, but interested to see what kind of power it has. The guys I know that push this smaller M12 battery line say they like it because it's lighter, and I'm starting to see why. This thing is just a featherweight. I don't know if I'd call it a spot blower though. This thing is powerful. Slide the power forward and then pull the trigger. Oh yeah! Oh no, that isn't a trigger lock. That's a 1-speed, 2-speed. There's low. And this is high. Even on low, stuff was blowing down across the shop. I mean, this thing's got some power. This one has quick lock fittings, which are nice, and a choice of 2 different nozzle shapes. And the model you're looking for is an 08-5220, and you'll find my links below. It's got power, but does it have wet leaf power? Oh yeah! Next up is the M18 Random Orbit Sander. I just love these cordless sander. Let's get into it and check this one out. Now, as far as the M18 platform, I've got plenty of these batteries in the shop, so this is a no-brainer for me to add on. Let's see what you get. I like that this uses very standard 5-inch hook and loop discs with an 8-hole pattern. It does come with some 80 grit discs, but I've got tons of those in the shop. So as far as other accessories you get, there's a dust box here to just collect the waste that way. There's also an extension. You can add that for larger battery sizes, but what I'll probably use the most is just this adapter to go to your dust collector. Now for lightweight tools like this, I usually prefer a CP 2.0 or CP 3.0 just because it's a compact battery, very lightweight, but still good power. That just feels like a perfect balance on that one. But of course, just about any M18 battery will fit this tool. Nice rubber overmolded grip there. Of course, variable speed like you would expect from any premium sander, but just think about how nice that's going to be to have a cordless sander that you don't have to fight the cord. Little hint on the one thing a woodworker won't buy themselves, good batteries. So these M18 batteries are a great stocking stuffer, although have to be pretty stout stocking. Well, who doesn't need more batteries? But these XC 3.0 are great batteries, and they're kind of middle of the line as far as size and performance level. You can go with the CP line if you want a really compact battery. The XC is kind of middle in the size category. And then the HD tend to be the largest with the most output, but honestly, this is probably overkill for most tools. That's why I think these XC 3.0 are a great pick. 2 of them at this price, you just can't beat it. And we'll round out the under 100 list with some Gridiron Workwear. We've got a nice flannel and a full zip hoodie. Milwaukee even offers some heated jackets and things like that, but unless you want to go crazy, I think this Gridiron flannel can be a nice pick. Like the color combo on that. It's got some nice red detailing. That's sharp. Or go for the Milwaukee full zip hoodie. I like this one. Nice and cozy. That Gridiron flannel has really got some weight to it. Be great for working outdoors, and size runs as expected. Oh man, my wife's gonna steal this one. What new hoodie? I didn't get any new hoodie. Or for a few bucks more, you could gift really nice Milwaukee power tools like these drills and impact driver. Let's check out 3 models on the M18 line. And Milwaukee's drill lineup right now is a highlight reel of hits. These are 3 of my favorite. There's a full-size drill driver, a compact drill driver, and then an absolute beast of an impact driver. It's got a standard quick release 1/4-inch chuck on that. So some really neat options, and I'm going to be comparing these different drills as well as similar models from other brands in a magazine review coming up, so stay tuned to the channel for more on that. Their premium full-size drill is the 2905, and it does have a little more weight to it, but you can tell it's just a solid, well-made tool with tons of power. Or if you want all the features of a powerful drill in a little bit smaller package, I really appreciate one like this. This is a 3601 compact drill, perfect for working in the shop. But if you need to drive heavy fasteners, there's not much that'll challenge this impact driver. This one's the 2957, and this just is a power beast. I like that array of LED lights too, nice. And some of these have selective drive mode, which is nice. You can roll through the different power select modes, and the batteries typically have power level indicators, so you can tell at a glance where you stand. Their 2905 full-size drill also has that selective drive mode, auto stop feature, and one key connectivity, so all the features packed into that one. But if you don't need all those fancy features, the 3601 is pretty tough to beat for an all-around shop drill. So sub up and stay tuned for more tool roundups on the Thoughtful Woodworker. Well, a world of power tools awaits you, from the value gear all the way up to these premium drills, so just check the links below. I like that one.